Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be making the layout for the chess clock. Start with the layout. We will make the background a dark gray. Background dark gray. This dark gray is 5E59. Then we will have the grid layout for player 1 and player 2, where they can tap to change the time, show that they finish. So, grid layout, wrap content. This grid layout ID is going to be grid layout. The layout margin bottom is going to be 20 dp, meaning it's going to be at the bottom and 20 dp from it. Column count will be 3. Row count will be 3. Okay. And this will be connected to the bottom. Sides. And then we'll add in a button. So get a button from the commons and then put it inside the grid layout. This button will be called player 1 for the ID. Player 1. This DP for the width is going to be custom. It's going to be 310 dp by 160 dp. Layout row is going to be 0. Column is going to be 0. Margin right going to be 15 dp. Background or the color of it is going to be a yellowish color. So F4B F4B6 3B. X is going to be 5 minutes. That's the text. It's going to be 5 minutes, so 5. Text color will be white. It will be white. White. Text size would be 55 SP. SP text style will be bold. And then I'm going to make another. I'm going to copy this, paste it, and just change this to player 2. Column will be 1. Background color will be 959595. and the text color will be black. And then this one won't have a margin right. And we'll go here, the grid layout, it should be 20 from the bottom, 20 from the bottom, and there we go. Next, we're gonna have another grid layout for the button. And to do this, we're gonna go to drawable, new, to vector asset. We're gonna go to clip art, and we're gonna get the clips. So one is a pause, so this one, and it's gonna be black. And another one's going to be the continue button. So continue. So let me see. Continue button. Another one's going to be a setting button. And another one is going to be a reset button. Okay, so once you've finished finding all of the 4 image icons, you will then go back to layout and we'll make another layout. Layout is going to be a grid layout. The wrap content, row count will be 3, column count will be 3, and then we'll close it off. This grid layout is being connected to both sides of the main layout, the constraint layout. It's going to be connected to the first layout on top. So connected to bottom to top and top to top. It's going to look like this, right in the middle. ID will be grid layout. Then we would put in a button. So get a button from the commons and put it into the grid layout. We can go to design to do this. The button for this one ID will be setting. Width will be 90 dp by 90 dp. It's gonna have no text, and the background's gonna be the settings thing that we made. So the setting one, and that's what it should look like. Then there will be a side will have tool layout editor absolute x equal 105 dp, and then we'll have copy this. It's going to be absolute y or 76. And we will copy this. We will paste it 2 times. Okay. The second one would be called pause, and the other one would be called reset. Second one, we're gonna add two more lines of code, which would be layout margin left 70 dp and layout margin right 70 dp. And we will change the images of it, so the pause button, the pause button would look like this one, and the reset or the refresh button will look like this one. Then we will make the time thing when we click on the settings. So the time one would be an edit text, so bring edit text, so it's going to be plain text into screen. And there's going to be a button into the screen. So this edit text will be called, the ID will be time. It's going to be 300, 380 by 127. Gravity will be center horizontal and center vertical. The hint, there will be no text in it. There will be a hint, which the hint will be amount of time, then parentheses minutes. Then we'll have input type, the number, so they can only put a number in. Android text color will be black. And text size will be 30 SG. Will then be connected to the top, right, left, and to the bottom, so it's going to be directly in the middle. And then we have the background for this, so the background will be all F, 6 Fs, which will make it white. And for this one, we'll just be calling it button. This will be 58 dp by 43 dp. Background's going to be a red, so FF7171. The text will be a capital X. Text size be 25 SP connected to the top one. This left one should be connected to. Oh, there's an X. When they press it, it'll be off. Then we'll click on both of these and make them invisible. And when they do click the setting, we'll make it visible so they can use it. And that's it for the chess clock. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe. Bye!